I started with a dream, ended with a team. Team of real niggas called Born Blessed NT. Bloodline runs deep, all we bleed is loyalty. Ever disrespect us, then the graveyard you meet. I ain't bout no beef, I ain't bout no talking. Nigga, I'm bout that gunplay. Nigga, let's get to sparking. Tipping like gas, all you do is gotta spark it. Army guns that we clutched, the fucking Navy couldn't afford them. But shout out to my army, shout out to my niggas, shout out to Lil KJ. Boy, we all miss you. Rest in peace to all my niggas who died from bitches. Any nigga play with mines, I swear to God, they missing. My heart still missing, my heart still freezing. Feeling like a Martin, but mine's in a deep freezer. Heart so cold, I swear to God, I need Jesus. Picked up the Bible, I swear to God, I started reading. Everything that I read, I swear to God, I believed it. Everybody in my circle started turn to demons. My cousin stole from me, I swear to God I was heated. I let the shit go because he probably really needed it. Lord knows I give him my all if he need me. Never turn my back on him, just say he beneath me. I never turn my back on him, just ain't no speaking. I'm speaking to myself every night, becoming speechless. My family members, I gave them my all and they mistreated me. Staying in the winning lane, can't nobody mislead me. I'm staying in the winning lane, can't nobody else defeat me. Father God, I thank you for everything that you teach me. Father God, I thank you for everything, please believe me. Born Blessed, entertain the label, say the meaning. Born Blessed, entertain the label, say the meaning. Born Blessed, entertain the label is the meaning. Niggas know I'm about that like these teardrops, they got a meaning. Riding with that red bitch is about business. Red beam with a extended clip, two double twins, they shooting triplets. Local rappers, they wanna be known till their ass come up missing. I ain't about that slick distance, sending shots, I'm sending 50. Rap shit I take serious, too strong, I'm eat spinach. Niggas want a free feature, fuck that, gon' cost a chicken. Play with me, get your life tooken. Repo, meet the Grim Reapers. I ain't got no time for talking, bitch, I gotta punch out. Pass down your fucking street, knock your fucking lights out. Graveyard flow, nigga, bitch, you bout to camp out. Get Lil Dre to pass through, spray your fucking brains out. All I'm doing is getting money, making money and more money. Born Blessed, entertain, we made something out of nothing. Joe smash him, head coach, keep the parties fucking jumping. Play with that one, bitch, that smash him. 9 News, that's your channel. All I'm doing is living good, eat good and staying good. Making sure my child straight and everything come out good. Every day I'm gon' pray for the next day to be the same. Riding with my same niggas who never switched and never changed.
Believe that. Blessed Gang. Now listen to the fucking mixtape, nigga.